Ayan, o, pause. Pause. Tama na muna. Tama na. Okay, very good. Yan yung tamang pag-iyak. Hindi yung sunod-sunod. Okay? O, pwede. Ikaw ulit. Cry ulit. Sige. Ayan. Tama na. O, pause for a while. Ayan, very good. Good listener na talaga yung baby namin. That's good, okay? Okay, sige. Cry ulit. Ayan. Ayan, op, pause for a while. Tama muna. Op. Bawal yung CB. Bawal tayo sa CB mode. Bawal yon. Bad for the respiratory system. Okay? Okay, cry lang. Cry. Bawal tayo sa crier and bawal tayo sa cryers. Okay? Doon tayo sa basic mode. Bawal tayo sa comparative mode and superlative mode. Okay? Okay, good. Sige, ikaw naman. Pause. Tama muna. Okay, mamaya ulit. Okay. Okay, sige, ikaw ulit. Sige na, okay na? Sige. Okay. So, ibig sabihin na-suit yung damdamin mo. Hindi ka stressed. Hindi ka depressed. Op. Okay, sige. Op, tama muna. Bawal yung CB. Bawal yung CB. Bad for the health. Okay, ganun. Okay, sige. Ganun lang ha. Practice mo every day ha. Day and night. Night and day. Day and night. Okay?